if it was all neutral, zero, inside, outside of all plates and everything else, and that's really what you're looking like trying to do. You would have all of these plates clean as a whistle. You wouldn't need any. You wouldn't need electrolyte. You wouldn't create any shit or anything else. Okay, and if there was any shit, the only shit that would come out of is the water. And once you clean the water up and get rid of the shit, you've got yourself a water which is actually getting to be less conductive. But it becomes more reactive in zeros, in neutrals, where in positive and negative you need more electrolyte or more conductivity. You understand? More and more. And you put any of these materials, what you all think is because you're putting so-called a standard electricity to the cell's plates have been lined up to change it.
Right, oh, okay.
Yep. To change it. And then you go and put these pieces of rubber like that radiator hose fair in between your plates, which has changed the electricity. It's not AC and it's not DC. And it doesn't flow in any way, shape or form, doesn't even comply to any shape or form of what you're doing with electricity that you made those things for. All insulators are conductors. An insulator is only a piece of something in its atomic alignment which has been lined up so that the electricity won't actually attract to it and jump out through it. It actually runs with it. And it acts like that. But if you turn your electricity around a different way, that's a conductor, straight through. And see, this is what's happened with what these things are that you're putting into cells. The cell sets up a frequency. The frequency doesn't comply to your flame electricity. The electricity being generated or whatever else is now going through that cell, if you said it's going through, is not standard electricity. So your standard insulators don't comply. So it gets in the road and it flipping shorts them out or eats them. But you're using stainless, which is a piss poor conductor, but do you want conductivity? No, you don't want conductivity because conductivity is positive and negative or north and south or, you understand? Wait, this one here is positive in the centre. This damn cell should be zero. Neutrals. That's what they're called neutrals for. That's what you're putting plates in there, knots and no wires to them so that they won't interact. That's what's supposed to happen. And you're not supposed to put electrolyte in this damn stuff.
Yeah, we just realised we're not using that anymore.
The only reason you're doing that is because
negative charged water.
The only reason you're doing that is because this plate is acting like a piece of plain old shit steel, what you and Brown done years and years ago, and you'll be better off with plain steel. One positive steel plate, one negative steel plate. One positive steel plate and heaps of electrolyte, and guess what won't happen? Doesn't matter what insulator you put between it, why? Because it won't break down. What will break down is you will eat the positive plate away. It'll make so much shit, but your negative will never get touched. Never touch the negative plate. Is that right? You will eat your positive plate all the time and you'll have to replace it. This will produce AC and DC with no moving parts. No pipes, no nothing. Just got to hook it up the right way with the wires and away you go. But you think about it. Within magnets to produce your electricity AC and DC, you have two opposite poles passing each other. Not the same poles. Same poles give you nothing. Two norths will give you nothing. Two souths will give you nothing. Two negative poles on the battery will give you nothing. Two positive poles on the battery give you nothing. It's when you pass north and south past each other. But what does your light use? What does your motor use? Well, it's not opposites. What does a Christmas tree light use? With one wire. One wire. There's a light bulb on.